Thinking about hiring an answering service for your law firm? Don't think, act. Here's why. According to a study I read some time ago, 71% of all people who hire an attorney hire the first one they get to talk to. Here's why. Think about it from client standpoint. When they need a lawyer and they call and they talk to the first lawyer, they're sharing all the information that they need to share with the attorney so that the attorney can give them valuable insights to help them make a decision to hire that attorney or not. It could be a lengthy conversation that's very insightful. They share a lot of information, you share a lot of information. They find that information very useful. The second attorney they talk to, they have to share the same information once again that they already shared with the first one. And now the second attorney will probably share the same information or very similar information as the first one did. The third attorney they speak to, well, they may not even talk to a third attorney, but if they do talk to the third attorney, they really just want to know the cost. So if you're the first one, you have a much higher probability of building that trust, that connection, and getting hired by them. Now, why do you need an answering service? Well, you can't be in all places at all times. You cannot answer every incoming phone call. So your goal is to have somebody else answer those phone calls. If you're available, transfer those phone calls to you. Super important, not take message. If you're available, you want them to transfer those calls to you. And if you're not available, you want them to take a message, and you got to make sure that you call them back as fast as humanly possible because your revenue and your income level really depend on it. So go through the post, check out reviews on all of the different providers. Look, Ruby is not the only answer, but Ruby, from what I hear, is really good. Look at all the rest and pick one and do it like today. Don't spend time thinking. This is very, very, very small investment in comparison to the opportunity cost to those prospective clients that you may not be getting because you're unable to answer the phone call and no one answers it for you.